Alright guys, we broke down. Somebody take a wild guess what it is. Yeah guys, the wet is down and we are trying to get a tow truck out here to help us out. I called like a bunch of companies. One guy answered, so I'm waiting on him to show up. He said about 30 minutes. It's been about 20 now, so about another 10-15 minutes should be here. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna need a new clutch. Hydraulic lines went out and my clutch just fell to the floor. Car started smoking, and here we are waiting for the tow truck. $800.
Arm control.
Arm control.
Have to put in the arm control.
Yeah. The guys here are killing it, guys. They'll be stoving. Clutch out. Let's see how this goes. This hook is very close. There goes my splitter. She coming off. Hey, so this is your clutch line that went out. I don't know where this area is. It's the bad boy that went out. This thing got cooked. Totally fine. What is up guys, and welcome to the channel. We just dropped the bed off to the shop. Yeah, today we had an unfortunate few minutes. I actually had to push the car for about a quarter mile to a safe spot so where I can actually get my clutch retracted so I can move the car. But anyways, heading out right now. Gotta go home and gotta go find the line so I can fix it tomorrow. So slave clutch cylinder line bursted. It got cooked because of my headers, and having a headers on a Corvette is not a freaking nice thing to have because you will always have issues cooking your lines, cooking your grounds, cooking your power lines, your harnesses, everything. And I've been having issues with my headers for a while. So guys, I think we're gonna have to go back to stock headers or find something that can be insulated or heat wrapped those, so we're not producing a lot of heat coming up towards my engine compartment. So it's gonna be a challenging next couple of days. It's Saturday, so hopefully we can find some parts to fix this tomorrow, because I'm in my buddy's house and in his garage. So and he needs a garage actually tomorrow afternoon. He's got a car that he has to work on, so we'll see how that goes. Well, stay tuned, guys.